in the middle. Together with the right hand playing the D. Yeah. Okay, for the left hand, yeah, we have. And now we can play right hand with the pedal board. And once we are familiar with everything, we can do it together, but we're going to do it at a slower pace. We have F, F, C, F, F, C, C. You can have G on the toe and the F on the heel, and then you just have to remember the toe and the heel. Yeah, it's up to you, but my legs are quite short. I personally prefer to just use the toe. Melody for this line is straightforward. And then it repeats. Let's add melody with a pedal board. On the left hand, I have C, A, G, C. Basically, it's the F chord and then C chord, isn't it? But that's on the F chord and then the C chord. Yeah. Anyway, let's do it. Right hand melody like this. On the left hand, I have B, C, G, E, D, E. On the left hand, I have B, B, C, G, E, D, E. Put it together with the pedal. Together, but at a slower pace.